Hi, and welcome back to The View with Visit Bellevue. I'm Kara Patajo, and I'm so excited to have you join me and my family along for an exciting day at K1 Speed in Bellevue. No matter the month, adventure can be found in the city. Take, for example, K1 Speed's fun indoor go-kart racing. As someone who loves the outdoors, it's so cool to visit the only go-kart racing track in Washington with environmentally friendly go-karts. They're all electric, zero emission, and reach a top speed of 45 miles per hour. This is an excellent place to bring your friends and family. My dad, brother, and partner joined me as we raced around the twisty track. And don't worry if you've never rode go-karts before, the K1 team is very welcoming and will make you feel right at home. Located right down the road, Mercury Coffee is a local Eastside company serving 100% organic coffee. Fair warning, there's so many delicious goodies to choose from that you will be tempted to try everything. Take your pick between handcrafted sandwiches, croissants, seasonal pastries, and more. Mercury Coffee is well loved for good reason, so be sure not to miss it while exploring Bellevue. Thank you for joining us on The View. I can't wait for you to feel the excitement and enjoyment of a day like this in beautiful Bellevue, Washington.